Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this yarn over here, which you can use for your naps and for cushions or for your table mats. So it's called Wollon Cotton, and I bought this from a marketplace online. So let's get started to see how it works. So I've been trying it for quite some time, and this is part one of the video. So part one is going to be next time. So let's see how it's going to work. So I'm going to type note over here. So I am going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I'm going to come right inside here to make slip knot. Okay. Knot. As you go by, it's going to become simple to work and easier. What I'm looking for in this yarn is to check whether it stays straight or a bit hooked. So at the end of my work, to show how it looks like, to compare with other yarns in coming videos. Okay, so as you can see how it looks like, it has quite become a straight line. So I'm going to just make 1, 2 to make double crochet to see how it's going to work. I've tried also other yarns, but this one is a little bit soft, not that soft, but especially for your cup mats. And while crocheting, it does not give any pain to the fingers, so it's quite flexible to work with. So you can see this is how it's going to be. Then again, make just one more round to check the final outcome. the other thing is, when you're working with this yarn, just move on slowly so that you can get each of your stitches well in one line and you don't get a mess. So you can see this is how it's the outcome of this yarn. And the goodness of this yarn is, when you come here, if this is a little bit loose, then you can just tighten that way and stretch the yarn. So it's a flexible yarn and a stretchable, so you can use it for your table mats, for your cushions especially, and for your covers for bottles and many other projects. So I highly recommend this yarn. If you have a project, please use this one. It's called Wollon Cotton, and it can be bought on marketplace on online. So please go ahead and buy. If you like my video, till next time, bye bye, see you.